What's up, guys? I'm back with another YouTube video. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made $6,000 today. And basically how I did this is a simple trading strategy that I do every single day and that anyone else could learn this very quickly. Before we get into it, I want to show y'all my alert channel so y'all know that I alerted this. It was at 850. I alerted those puts. They were up 30%, blah, blah, blah. $6,400 day, a lot of fire emojis. And as you can see, let's just run through member profits just real quick. And this is all from today. I might have to use a wheelbar. I mean, just thank you, Britt. 20-minute work day. Made $3K. Done for the day. $700. What else? I mean, just thanks, Britt. An awesome day. I don't even know how much this person. 125, 89. Thank you, Britt, for help. Cost sharing my trip plus 500, 2K in 15 minutes. I mean, it just keeps going. I mean, you can see all the tags, guys. You can see all the tags. Keeps going and keeps going. Just so that I just want to make sure y'all know that this trade really hit. And if I can do it, if they can do it, you can do it too. So it's definitely an easy trading strategy that anyone can do out there. And in this video, I'm going to make it short and sweet, and I'm going to teach you how you can do it for yourself. Not only that, I'm going to give you a little rundown on why I entered the trade. It was a perfectly A+ setup, and I had many confluences to enter this trade. First things first, let's just hop right into it. This is SPYs. As you can see, SPYs in a uptrend right here. And I saw this uptrend. I had a trend line on the top one, and I had a trend line on the bottom one, right? And so as you can see, we have this uptrend. And basically my idea is I want to see the 15-minute candle, and I want to mark the highs and lows so we can play the 15-minute opening range breakout. And as you can see, I'm going to turn on this indicator real quick. All right, here's the 15-minute opening range right here. So it's marked. I'm going to mark it for us so it's not too messy. That white line's already there. Here's the top of it. All right, so we have our 15-minute opening range right here. You can see the high up here and the low down here. And if you know the rule, you know we do not trade within this zone. This is our no trade zone right there. And so basically what I'm waiting for is a 15-minute candle close above or beneath that opening range. And so let's go to the next bar. And as you can see, we die through it, right? Not only do we break that 15-minute opening range to the downside, but we also break this uptrend to the downside. And so that is two major confluences for a downside move. And so what I did is I went to the 5-minute and I entered around right here, right? My entry was at 850. That is this candle. And look, I'll show you so you can see that my entry was at 850. So as you can see, these SPY puts were bought at 850. 850 is when I alerted this trade that I was buying it. So whoever wanted to follow along, they could. And as you can see, 10 minutes later, 20 minutes later, we're still up. We're still green. Now, let's watch this trade play out. As you can see, I mean, we stayed underneath that 15-minute opening range that entire time, guys. The entire time. So shorts were in play when you're under the 15-minute opening range for the day. Not only that, let's pause it right there. Not only that, we had another confluence using data. Here's our other confluence is Flowtopia. As you can see, right around open, we were bearish. So calls were underneath put flow the entire time. So we had like 3 to 4 major confluences for this trade, and I was live trading. I told everyone, I showed everyone my entry, I showed everyone the exit, everything, and I told everyone why I was entering this trade. I want to explain to you what the Oasis indicator is telling you. So the blue is the opening range, right? And then we have the previous high day, the pre-market high of day, the pre-market low of day, VWAP, previous low of day, and low of day, right? And so something that I saw here is once we broke the range to the downside, right, we also had pre-market low of day, but we knifed through that. And so another confluence for me in my trading style is I like to use these levels right here as support and resistances, right? And so once I saw we broke underneath pre-market low of day, now I was like, all right, I'm going to continue to stay bearish as long as we stay under the pre-market low of day. Because like I said, I like to use them as support and resistances. And in this scenario, you can see that it was trading underneath. So that is a resistance. And then also we have this EMA cloud just kind of floating right here, and we were rejecting off it. There's so many confluences for a downside trade. And that is why we all entered puts and why we all entered shorts and made money. This simple trading strategy anyone in the world can do. It's the 15-minute opening range aligned with Flowtopia and the wave indicator. The wave indicator is what I just showed you. It is where you can see the net premiums coming in for the day. And I always align this. So my TA was saying puts, and wave was saying puts as well. And so when they correlate, that is an A+ setup in my rule book. And here you go. You can go ahead and see this is one of my accounts up $1,600. This is the other account up $3,200, and the other account up $1,600. I copy traded them, but I let one of the fundeds run a little bit more. So that equals out to about $6,400 in profits just on my funded accounts. I had SPY and QQQ puts as well that I think ran for about $700 in the money as well. So this is a simple trading strategy that any of you guys can do, and you saw the member profits. So many people did the same exact thing, and so many people made money as well. And nothing is stopping you from learning this trading strategy. Now guys, if you want to join the Discord and get this free, super cool indicator where it marks all the important levels for you, it marks the opening range for you and all that good stuff, EMA Cloud, VWAP. It's like a lot of indicators into one, so you don't have to pay for the TradingView subscription and get where you can have more than one indicator. I think the standard is like 2 indicators. Well, this one has like 4 to 5 in one, so it saves you money as well. So if you want that, hit the description down below. You can join the Discord, as well as if you want to sign up for a new brokerage, I have my Webull down there. And basically, if you sign up to Webull, we both get a free stock. So it's just free money if you use the link down below. But yeah, guys, I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed this video. And I hope you can make some money using the 15-minute opening range as well as the wave. So yeah, till next time, I'll see you guys later, and y'all have a great day.